Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I want to show you, in my opinion, the best compilation album from the greatest band in the world, Rolling Stones. I want to start with the very first one I ever had in my life. It was Made in a Shade. It's really good collage of the songs. As you can see, this is the first edition. No barcode, no nothing. And this was my introduction to Rolling Stones. This is the first time when I heard song Wild Horses, which I was mesmerized, and Angie, my two all-time favorite songs, classic songs. Yeah, this comes with Inner, which is no lyrics, no nothing, and also custom-made label. There are no new tracks here. So this is the very first one that I had. This how was I introduced to Rolling Stones. Now I have nothing, and I'm not a fan of the 60s. So that's why I bought this one, to at least to have something from that era, because there are so few songs that I like. This is reissue, but it's very as original. There's nothing written in the cover the way it was released. It's a Hot Rocks 64, 71, those years that I have nothing about it except in 71, yeah. Sticky Fingers, that was the first album that I really liked. I don't believe when this came, but you should stay away from some others. I think Record Store Day, because this picture here, it's so blurry and dark. It's really dark. And this one, look how clear it is. It's really good. Lots of good tracks here from the 60s. Time Is on My Side. And it's missing one. What was called that the last time? I think it was called. It's very good. It's a Sympathy for Devil, Street Fighting Men, Jumping Jack Flash. So there's a lot of stuff from 60s, but I started in the 70s to follow them. Custom made. Obviously, it's the same the other one too. I do have many records. I have a box set, which I will show you later on just a little bit, and it's the same disc. A really good collage if you don't have anything from 60s. And then came this one, actually, before that in 1983. 1993, sorry. Jump Back. Oh boy, this one is so good. In 1993, there was no internet, no nothing. So when I was reading liner notes, I just find out lots of stuff behind the albums here. And I could read about this one, my favorite album of all time. Like this was all songs leftovers, and turned out to be their best-selling album. But also it's the best one too. See, like from 71 up to 93. I believe during this time the bass player, he left, Bill Wyman. This is double album, really great. These are all the songs that I love. Angie is here, Wild Horses is here too. Great collage of songs. This is the last from 2019. This is also very, very good. This is triple. I was thinking, should I buy it or not? And but then I look at it, I think it's great. Lots of more songs are here than in Jump Back. All in all, it's a great record. This album, you have it here, have inners, which are written all these songs. And I think I forgot to show you the labels on this one. Sorry guys, we just go again. I think it's the same on the other one too. It's really hard to find this one because it was never re-released. If you find this album, buy it because it's beautiful. Anyway, back to Honk here. Sorry. Here we have lots of track here too. Go on, respectable. You Got Me Rockin', I love that one. Undercoat of the Night. Waiting for a Friend. Oh. That's some good stuff. Sometimes instead of just picking up one record, you just let these play, and a very enjoyable Start Me Up, obviously, and Brown Sugar starts this album too. Rolling Stones have at least, I don't know, who have counted them like a 15, 16 best-ofs and stuff like that. But I think, in my opinion, these are the best. Absolutely the best 4 albums that, if you're a collector of best-ofs or greatest hits, these are the best one. Now recently have been re-released that 40 Licks, but when I saw the album cover, I just thought, oh my god, it was really cheap shot. It was nothing. It was 4 vinyl and no inners, no nothing. I'm gonna put links of other videos. That's my favorite album, Tattoo You. It's a box set, and let me see if I move these and make some place for this one. Almost I broke my back. And this is the box set of all albums from '71. So check this video too. Thanks for stopping by, and God bless you, and see you in the next video. Bye.